Welcome back to App Mentor. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating Goku in the game Infinite Craft. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve the character quickly and efficiently. First, drag and drop water and fire to the whiteboard over here. Merge them together and you will get steam. Next, drag and drop fire and merge them again with our steam right here. Now select and drop earth and wind. Combine the three and you will get vacuum. Now select earth and water. Combine them all together to get dust. Select water and plant and place them on your whiteboard. Combine plant and water to get swamp. Drag fire and merge it to the swamp to get a dragon. Now pick fire and vacuum. Let's combine fire and vacuum first to create a black hole. Place plant and swamp wherever you like and combine swamp and plant to get Venus flytrap. Now drag the dust tab and put it back on the right part of the screen to remove it in your board. Then combine dragon and black hole to get Dragon Ball. Place plant on your board and combine it to Venus flytrap to achieve carnivorous plant. Combine the last two tabs on your board and you will get Vegeta. Now add Earth and combine it to Vegeta, and there you have it. You now achieve Goku. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!